Hello guys, so I'm back with a new video. This video is going to be quite different. This video is going to be talking about how you can set a get commit message convention and you enforce it, and if the user or the developer that is committing his work does not follow the pattern that you set, the commit gets dropped. So simple as that. Passes the pattern, commit is done. Doesn't pass the pattern, is dropped. So this is going to be very useful when you're trying to standardize the commit messages across your team or across multiple teams. And this could also be very useful for new joiners to your company, as they might not be used to the certain pattern that you use. But now that since that you're enforcing it, they will be having an easier time remembering the correct pattern that you need them to use. So let's go through the process. It's a pretty quick process. It's not as complicated as you think it might be, and it's not going to take us long. So let's get started. So first thing is create a fresh React app, or any app. It works for any app, but in my case I'm using a React app, and we're going to do cd into the get directory. So this is available in every project. I was already inside of it, was testing something. So cd into get ls, I'm going to see hooks, cd into hooks ls, you're going to see these hooks. So this is the hook that we're going to be using, the commit message, and there is multiple commits, multiple hooks that you could use, such as pre-commit, which is usually used with husky to like format, lint the code and so on. But the one that we're gonna use is this one. The other ones do not have access to the commit message. So let's get started. So we are going to get into that file, and yes, no, not vim, we want to actually nano into it. Yep, so it's an empty file. Now we're gonna add our script. When this script paste, this script could be custom made, and it's not a very complicated one, and I'll just walk you through it right now. And then to t save, and then get out. Let's check if it was updated. It is updated, so that looks good. Let's quickly go through the script. The script is catching your commit message, and here's where we define a pattern that is gonna be looking something like this: product name, message, ticket number. And we can have another one that is going to be like admin message, which is going to be admin followed by something, which could be like something updating pipeline, upgrading a package. It's not going to be very specific to a certain product, so it's a generic one. So this is where they use this to cover the two scenarios that we could be having. So let's test this out. Let's test it out. So we can add learn React now. So that's an update. We want to commit it. Get add all, or we want to get outside of this. And then we get commit. Let's say initial thoughts would be like adding update title. But this doesn't go through, it doesn't follow the standards in your company right now. So let's say he goes in. Let's say I worked in Adidas product and I updated the title. No, it's still not going through. Why is that? Ticket number is missing, my friend. You need to add the ticket number. Adidas, update title, and let's say ticket 120. So that goes through. Let's see if we remove this and we just add 20. We need to make another update. We want just to test this out. Get add all, get commit 20. So no, because this is going to be considered as part of the message. So let's say you want to make this easy for other developers, because now this is only accessible, or this is only executable on your local device. Yeah, just in case if this was not working before, if this in any case doesn't work for you, you need to run this command right here. So this makes the script executable. So here you're gonna add commit message, and this is gonna make it executable, so Git can run it and yeah, make the checkings. But disclaimer, this is only accessible on your local device, so in order for it to be shared with the others, you need to pass them the script in order for the script to be added to their own local Git directory, and then they can follow the same patterns. But that's quite a hideous process to go. Everybody has to do the same thing. No, it's not a good thing. So what we can do, how can we make it better? Let's say we go to the Git file again, go to the hooks again, and then we're just gonna empty out the commit message. Okay, so if we go into it again, it's empty now. So we're gonna have another type of the script, which is gonna be dealing with the automation of adding the script into the device or the laptop. So they don't have to go to the Git directory, they can just go to the general or the main base directory of the project, and they can run this paste. So it's gonna go into the directory, create the file, add the script, make it executable, and everything. So here we can see where we're gonna be waiting for this. Looks like it's kind of bugging out. So let's, why is it updating now? Okay, forget that. Okay, so we're gonna run this. So now the commit message already exists, skipping creation, so we can do something, can delete the file. We can delete the file. Okay, so cd git, cd hooks, ls, remove commit message, ls. Yeah, so here we don't have it anymore. So here we can just get out again to our main directory and run the second script here. Now created and made executable. Let's test this again. So let's say we want to add this text, and then we add again, and then we're like, okay, fixing. See, we're gonna get the same error. But now if we add Adidas fixing, it goes through. So this second script could be shared with the team, could be added into the pre-commit in Husky for it to be added to the team every time they try to make a commit, just to make sure that everybody follows the same pattern. But if I were you, I would go with the second way, which is asking everybody to run the script manually instead of having it being rerun every time the Husky pre-commit hook is being triggered. Yeah, so that's it. I hope it's useful. I think it might be something that a lot of people didn't know Git made available, but it's very interesting, very nice, has a lot of good use cases. And thank you for listening, and have a good holiday. Bye bye.